Hello, this is Coach Mike Patello with Artists International back with you on another edition of the Back Office video. We're going to talk about on this video the My Organization tab in your back office. So this is the page that you see right when you log in, the promotions that are going on, your information on the front page. It says Welcome Home and then your name. And the next one says My Organization, the tab right up here up top. We've already covered the Home tab and all of the information down here, so now we want to go to My Organization. So now we want to go to My Organization. We click on the My Organization tab. Now, what's going to come up initially is the downline viewer. So if you click that again, it's going to bring up the exact same information. So what I want to do on this video is cover all the information under the downline viewer tab. If you come down here on the screen, let me scroll down so you can see a little bit more of the screen and how it works. You're going to see your organization in a snapshot all through here. Now, obviously, this is a test account, so you're going to see a lot of information that has zeros in it. But let's start right here. The level, the first thing it's going to have is the level that these people fall on, whether they're level 1, level 2, level 3, if you've personally enrolled them or they enrolled by someone else. The next category is going to say organization, which means right here, this Alberto Tourwinter, if he has a little plus by him, that means he has people underneath him. In other words, he's on your first level, shows it right here. He has people underneath him, which would be your second level. And you can click that and actually expand and see people underneath them. And go and scroll down so you can see exactly how that worked. Now, you notice your name is not at the top. It's just going to show Alberto's organization all down here because you clicked that little button and it goes away from your organization. It shows you just his organization. So if you're wanting to look, let's say, at one of your team members' organizations and how things are positioned, then you can click that and it's going to show you the breakdown of their personal organization. But let's go ahead and back up and go back to exactly where we were, to your personal account. In this video, I am Carlos Cafe. The next thing it's going to show, of course, is the ID numbers right here. It's going to show their names in this column. This column is going to show their ranks. Now, obviously, some of these don't have a rank. You may have a rank in every one of yours. You may not, depending on when the person joined. Paid, it's going to show some numbers there. Their personal qualification points, it's going to show their qualification points in this column. Their qualification points here as well. The paid GQP is what has been paid. The paid plus the unpaid is orders that are actually put in that have not been paid for yet. So before commissions run, these columns may change a little bit simply because unpaid commissions, or I should say unpaid GQP, may be deleted if someone does not pay for an order that was entered. This column is the personal value points. This one is the group value points. Now, obviously, these are zeros, but yours are going to show up. And then the phone number. Now, you can go over here and click this button and go to the next page, the next page. You can show more people than 50 per page. You can show, in this case, it offers up to 900 if you have a large organization. Over here, it says select an action. So if you, over here, have selected certain people, so you can click this, it puts a little Xbox there, click, click. Whoever you have clicked over here, that means that's the people you want to focus on. And when you click on select an action, you can view them specifically. You can view your entire organization. You can export the entire organization or just export the selected people that you have over here, their info. You can print the selected information or print your entire organization. Email the selected people that you have over on the left, or email all members. So you have some different options there. This is the current period. It always comes up. You can see right here, current period March 2009 is when this video is being done. So if you want to go back to your prior period, the month before, you can click that button. And let it load here. And I'll go over here and scroll down. And it's simply going to show you, obviously, your same organization, but what happened last month. And of course, all this information would be filled in with what happened last month, how much PQP they had, how much was paid, the value points, all that good stuff is going to be right here on that page. And notice, underline now, is your prior period. It's showing the month before the current month. Now, the last link right in here says personally enrolled. When you click that, it's going to bring up a screen that only shows the people that you personally enrolled. It's not going to show your entire organization, simply the people that you personally enrolled. You can go through and they're all clickable. As you see, you can click on any of this. I'll click on one of these test accounts. And it's going to bring up just their information right here and show their volume. You know, these numbers will be higher because it's going to show their personal orders. And you can go in and click on information underneath there as well. So you can view each person individually on the performance that they're doing on your personally enrolled. If you go up here, that's just on the downline tab. When you click on detail, it's going to show you your personal information on your orders. You see some really cool charts in here that can show you how much you ordered. Right here it shows you your personal group value points, your group qualification points. It has a little chart here, and at the top, in this case, it was only 44 group qualification points and 28.4 group value points. Now, these may be off the chart on your list because you've got a lot of volume, but this simply is going to show you your address on file, your phone number on file, your enroller ID, your enroller's name, etc. That's what the detail tab is. Now, when you click on charts, this is going to get into a little bit more detailed information about what is happening with your team. So if you want to go in here, it says volume by period. It's all these may be going on. It shows you November 2008, December, January, February, March, and then over here it shows you the volume. And you're going to have charts and graphs that go up and show you the full amount at the top. And you can go down here and click on Select an Action. You can click on Show Volume for all these months. You can go back and look at your previous volume. It's very handy to see the growth happening of your team. Now, you can go and click on Downline by Rank. So there's a lot of different options here. This shows, in this person, if this is you, it shows that we have 7 advisors, 3 supervisors, 1 manager, 6 coordinators. And it shows us the approximate percentage that we have on each organization. Shows you the percent right here. It actually breaks it down for you. This is an enhancement in the back office that we've put together. Now you can also go in, click on Show Advisors, Show Coordinators, Show Supervisors, Show Diamonds, Show Platinums, and it will break it down for you on the people at certain ranks. So let's go in here, back up to the title here, Sign-ups per month. Again, another chart. It helps you see exactly how your group is growing. Shows you the months right here, how many you personally signed up, and then how many your total group signed up. So in this case, in March, personal, 9 people we enrolled. The whole group sponsored 10, so 1 more was sponsored in the entire organization. You click on Select Action. You can click on Show Sign-ups the last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Show all sign-ups in your organization, and this chart is going to change based upon the action that you request it to do. Again, it's to help you track your organization and see exactly what's happening on your team. Now, that is the charts topic. We viewed the volume by period, the downline by rank, sign-ups per month. Let's go to history. If we click on history, again, more detailed information for you. Now, obviously, this is a test account. And there's no history in here, but it has broadcast history, opt-out history, people that are on your mailing list, people that have opted out of your mailing list. And then there's a tab that says Help, and it goes in here, and it's going to have a little more information on how to use the charts, how to use the grids, frequently asked questions on these charts. So in other words, these video tutorials are telling you how to look, how to view this information. If you want to understand more about this information, you can click on Help underneath the downline viewer, and it's going to show you understanding the charts. For instance, it'll break down exactly how to do that. My computer's going a little slow here, so it's not coming up. But when you click on Using the Grids, Frequently Asked Questions, same type thing. So that is your downline viewer under the My Organization tab. Now, the next video, we're going to cover the downline chart.